Alright, let's see. In this video, I'm showing you the 6 spark plugs I pulled out of my vehicle. It has 268K, and I changed the spark plugs back when from memory. When I put the new timing belt in, which was at 222, which means these have 46,000 miles on them and a lot of idling hour time. Right? This is the way to think about it. On the passenger side, you have 1, 3, 5, and then 2, 4, 6. And the codes I was getting are 300 and 302. I did get a 301 on one occasion. Alright, these two are matched together. There's a coil pack sitting on this side, and this side, with the wastegate coming out, the waste side coming out on the other end. Alright, so let's take a look first at cylinder number 1. You can see how there's a light. You can see the porcelain. You can see a little more darkness or carbon buildup there, and you should be able to see that it is worn compared to a good one. Here's problem number 2. This is cylinder number 2, which was the core of the problem. If you look, you will see that this is much more darker and more carbon, and you can also see it's worn just a little more. But this is just your standard Denso, a K16TR11, and I'm certain that with the analysis and looking and troubleshooting that the fuel injector sadly is bad. You can tell by the way that it goes. Here are the 2 others. If you take a look, cylinders 4 and 6, and you can see the wear right here. The center, the electrode, is not a nice cylinder anymore. It's worn away, plus the metal pieces there. It's just basically arced away over the 46,000 miles. And changing the plugs did not solve the problem, sadly. And here are the other 2. And as you can see color on one side, carbon buildup here, no carbon buildup here, because of the way they were setting, and same over here. The way they were setting inside the cylinder with the fuel injection, the fuel probably blowing that way. And again, you know, 40,000, what did I say it was? 22, 68, 46K. Is that right? 46, yeah, 46,000 miles. So they did well. I replaced them with these right here, K16TR11s, which this is a K16TR11, and these are platinum. That's the whole point. And they're Denzos. I replaced them with Denzos, and they're the same 2 configurations, 2, not electrodes, anodes, maybe. I'm going to be ordering my fuel injectors from Motor West, where I buy all my fuel injectors, the earlier set of my Tacoma, and you'll see more of that later, in a later video, once I have them swapped out. And I also bought some for my right here for the Honda. You will have seen where I removed, and I'm going to reinstall this when I do the fuel injector installation. This is made in Japan, the Denso coil and this one is good. All my coils are good. It's the fuel injector. The only other thing of interest is I had to tape up, well, I did. I taped this up so when I went to extract the spark plug, it would not pop off my socket right here. This is a swivel socket. So that is pretty much it for this video. I thank you for watching, and if you don't mind giving me a thumbs up, I won't argue. You have a great day. No.